All right, Madeline and Scarlett are going to help you do some cooking in the kitchen. We're going to review some safety rules. So Madeline will read you, and then Scarlett will teach you how to make simple quesadillas.
Okay. Safety rules. The kitchen can be a safe or a very dangerous part of your home. What's dangerous in your kitchen? Sharp knives, boiling water, and hot oil are a few things. Always check with an adult before trying any of these recipes. Talk to him or her about what you are allowed to do by yourself and when you need an adult's assistance. Always follow these safety guidelines. Around the stove and oven. Get an adult's permission before using a stove or oven. Don't wear long, baggy shirts or sweaters when cooking. They could catch fire. Never turn your back on a frying pan that contains oil. Never fry in oil at a high temperature. Don't spray a pan with vegetable oil, cooking spray over the stove or near heat. Oil will burn at high temperatures, so spray the pan over the sink. If a fire starts in a pan on the stove, you can smother it by covering it with the pan lid or pouring baking soda on it. Never use water to put out a fire in a pan with oil. It only makes the fire worse. Always use pot holders or oven mitts when using the oven or handling something that is hot. Make sure your pot holders are not wet. Wet pot holders can transmit the heat from the hot item you are holding directly to your skin. Don't overfill pans with boiling or simmering liquids. Open pan lids away from you to let steam escape safely. Keep pan handles turned away from the edge of the stove. Knocking them against can splatter hot food. Stir foods with hot, long-handled spoons. Keep pets and small children away from hot stoves and ovens during cooking. Try to keep them out of the kitchen altogether. Using any appliance. Use an appliance only if you know exactly how to operate it and you have permission from an adult. Never operate an appliance that is near the sink or sitting in the water. Don't use frayed electrical cords or damaged plugs and outlets. Tell an adult. Using a microwave oven. Use only microwave-safe cookware, paper towels, paper plates, or paper cups. Use pot holders or oven mitts to remove items. If a dish is covered, make sure there is some opening through which steam can escape during cooking. When taking foods out of the microwave, open the container so that the steam escapes away from your hands and face. Prick foods like potatoes and hot dogs with a fork before putting them into the microwave. Never try to cook a whole egg in the microwave. It will burst.
Thank you, Madeline. Excellent. Now, Scarlett is going to demonstrate all of those things by safely using the appliance and kitchen.
Quesadillas. Okay. So I have my ingredients. And I can taste it here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use two because I feel like using two, but you could just fold it and make a little one. But I'm gonna make a big one. Okay. Man, this one isn't big enough. Oh well. I'm gonna use two different types of cheese just because this one's almost out and I'm just gonna use some of this one. And then, where should I put my other cheese?
Just off to the side. Well, not on the countertop.
On my quesadillas.
Ah, there you go. We did just wash the countertop so it is clean, but you generally should not just rely on the countertop being clean. It may or may not be.
Now it goes away.
Oh yeah, keeping a workspace clean.
And I washed my hands, so I'm
Very
not getting
thoroughly.
my cheese dirty. Because I did just jump in this pot. No. I think this one needs a bit. Has a little tag. Not open.
Oh,
I did it.
Magic. She didn't give up.
Amazing. Okay. I actually didn't think I was going to need this one. Thought it was going to
That's probably
need more. But yay! Didn't have to use all of it. Okay. Now, my cheese is all situated. Just gonna put this in the fridge real quick. And then let's put my quesadilla on. Tortilla. Okay. Over to the microwave.
2 hands. 2 hands carrying a plate.
And I think I might just put mine in for 30 seconds.
All right. Do you have permission to use this device?
Do I?
Yes, you do.
Yay.
Did you put anything metal in there?
No.
No.
Okay.
Start. Just press start.
Oh yeah. Yay!
Yay!
Okay. Now we wait for 25 seconds.
Woohoo! Now, while you're waiting, what else could you do?
I'm gonna put away my tortillas.
Oh, we can continue cleaning up our workspace. Whoa! We're gonna put those in the fridge. We put our tortillas in the fridge because that way they last longer. And we took the air out. Why did you do that?
Otherwise, the tortillas will get crusty and musty
And disgusting, and we don't like that. All right, now on the amount of time it took to cook. Ooh. When we open it, we gently check it. Is it super, super hot? No. If it were hot, what would we use? Nice. Now, how are we going to cut this? A knife. Can you demonstrate how we do that? All right. So, Scarlett is going to need a knife. We keep our knives over here.
What kind of knives?
Doesn't really matter. I just grab one of the smaller ones. Yep. All right.
Here. I think I'm just gonna cut it in half first.
Notice how Scarlett is pushing down with the knife and not cutting towards herself.
Oops.
Well, not cutting towards yourself. You're pushing down, so that's good. Because we don't want to be able to slip.
Okay, it's cutting straight now.
Oh, good. And cutting kind of towards under your elbow, not towards your thumb.
Make sure that this is completely.
All right.
It didn't really go exactly as planned.
Will it still taste the same? It will. All right, and then you can continue cutting by moving the plate so that you don't have to hold the knife awkwardly and cut towards yourself.
I was hoping to get it into nice even.
I know.
So that didn't
but
happen.
do you think it will taste just the same?
Yes.
Excellent.
I'll just make it into a strange puzzle.
And is this something that you could make for your own after-school snack? Yeah, absolutely. Yes. All right. Thank you very much.
Yay!